Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Shikha Vansali from Department of Botany, and my question is question number 23. The next slide. Invasive Species Specialist Group belongs to which of the following organization? The International Union of Conservation of Nature, United Nations Environmental Program, United Nations World Commission for Environment and Development, and the fourth choice is the World Wide Fund for Nature. Next. What is IUCN? It is an international organization working in the field for conservation, sustainable use of natural resources. It is involved in data gathering, analysis, research, field project and education. Its mission is to influence, encourage, assist society throughout the world for conservation. Next. ISSG is the specialist group which is the part of IUCN. Next. What are invasive species? These are species which are introduced in an environment and they overcome the population of the existing one and becomes harmful. Invasive species adversely affect the environment, the habitat, and it also affects the ecology. And the example for one invasive species is Parthenium. Next slide, please. It was introduced in India as a seed containment with wheat, and it slowly spread in the whole area, and the pollen of Parthenium are harmful. So the answer is 1 because it is related to conservation. So the answer is going to be IUCN. The ISSG is an international organization which is working for conservation, which is a part of IUCN. It is involved in data gathering, assists society throughout the world for conservation, and it develops global initiatives. So the answer is going to be the A, answer 1. Thank you.